Hey there, hi there, ho there. My dear friends, I'm Gord Birch, and welcome to Hippie Dreaming. And welcome to the Bow River, Calgary, Alberta, Canada. There's Calgary. And the park that I'm at is Prince's Island Park. This is right near the Calgary Zoo, and it's where I do most of my dreaming. Why a second channel? Well, folks, my first channel will be shown in the description below. Has more to do with adult-oriented discussions and materials and things like that. And YouTube did not like me mixing general audience stuff with that kind of stuff. So no matter what I did, I could never monetize. So I'm hoping that right now you will subscribe, click that bell or you won't know what's going on, and share, because I'm going to need more than 500 subs, and maybe this old man can make a little bit of money for his family off of this channel. So, and am I doing it for the money? I'm doing it because I missed sharing with you. For the longest time, YouTube would not monetize, and it's been pulling me down and ruining my creative zeitgeist. I have had such a creator block with all this YouTube stuff going on, and you know what? I needed to share. What do I do down here? This is where I dream. My whole life has been, I have to accept reality, and I accept it real hard and with gusto, and I work my ass off. But I also dream. Yes, I dream a lot. And what better a place? Look at the beauty of this area. I also come down here and feed the wild birds. There are a lot of chickadees, nuthatches, and the like, woodpeckers too. And I'm going to go, this is the spot I like to just sit and think. And then I go for a walk in there, in the bushes, in the brambles, and usually I get to feed the birds. So I'm going to go there and I'm going to talk to you. And if I don't get any birds come to me today, then I will attach, or right to the side of me, show a whole bunch of videos of me feeding those birds and what you can expect of this channel. As usual, my friends, I may own the channel. It may be my channel, and it may be YouTube's rules, but you all drive. It may be my car, but you drive. You tell me what you want to see on this channel, and it will be done. So, folks, let's transition over to that forest. Wasn't that cool? Here we are. I've got some birdseed, and I am waiting. Sometimes even in the middle of winter, in fact, especially in the middle of the winter, the birds can be really, really hungry. And if you hit them on a day of low wind and bright sun and warmth, very often you can get some birds like I'm showing to you right now. That is me at different times right in this very area, getting nuthatches, woodpeckers, and chickadees on my hand. The ones I'm showing right here will disappear if one of these birds comes to me today. And it takes a lot of patience, and it takes good, strong shoulders, which I don't have. For those of you who don't know me and stumbled onto this channel, I do hope you subscribe, because I think you'll enjoy this. If you check my other channel out, I have many times down at the river, I've seen coyotes, I've seen beavers, I have seen many, many different birds and worked with them. Geese, ducks, chickadees, woodpeckers, nuthatches. They all live down here. Not far from here is a bird sanctuary. And the more I look, the less I see today for you and me. And that's something you'll also have to get used to, is this old man likes to rhyme. I do it all the time. So, the birds have not come out. And I'm going to take another shot down by the river. And we will see what we can see. But I don't think we're going to see any birds. I heard some, but they haven't come out of their tree yet. And usually once I give up, that's when they start coming out. I'm going to walk along this trail. There are better trails in this park, but if you go to the better trails, you bump into a lot of people. I don't come here for the people. I come here for the birds. And I hear magpies. I was about to grab some birdseed. I'm going to the second part where I usually find birds. I'm hoping this is going to work out well for you. Stay tuned though, because there will be videos coming on this channel where I come down here and I just take some beautiful videography of the ice on the Bow River, of birds and the like in the area, and put it all to music. So I do a lot of video montages. This is mostly just to give you all the ability to, to give you all a taste of what this channel is mostly going to be about. There will also be a lot of shorts like this about my wonderful little puppy dog, Tipsy. She would be with me right now, but, oh, the birds are here. Here we go. This will happen. That was a nuthatch, and the two previous were chickadees. So let's watch. And that's a woodpecker. Beautiful, beautiful woodpecker. I said woodpecker, chickadee, and nuthatch. And we've just seen all three. We've just seen all three. Chickadee, chickadee, come to me, chickadee. Some of them are a little bit shy. That woodpecker is so beautiful. That is a woolly woodpecker. It's a male. You can tell the females have orange on their throat, and I've never had the female come to me. What a beautiful day. What a beautiful, beautiful day. That woodpecker keeps coming back. Oh, here comes a nuthatch. Those are chickadees. The nuthatch is watching me. Nuthatch. These kind of days make everything worthwhile. I'll be right back. I just took a little break. I want to tell y'all that I've been feeding wild birds for years and years. They've gotten to know me in this area, and it's been months since I've been here because of the new puppy, and they're very happy that I've come back. And I can always tell when it's a nuthatch or a woodpecker. They're so much heavier. But this is what's making this day worthwhile. And it was my father, may he rest in peace, and he is. It was my father who taught me how to be patient enough and connect with the birds and connect with wildlife, period. I speak to all animals. I talk to them. I stay in touch with them. This is, if I could, I'd spend the whole day here just talking to the birds. So I'm going to talk to the birds a little longer, and then I'll be back to say goodbye alongside the river. See you in a minute. That was fun. That was fulfilling. That was amazing. It touched my soul. It connected me with my father again, and it connected me to all of you. Now, hang on a second. I'm going to switch cameras and show you the beautiful river before I go. We start City of Calgary right there, and here we are, the Bow River, running all winter long. Beautiful, beautiful river, clear as can be, and just my favorite place to be. There we go. It's time for me to say adieu, to thank you all for being with me on this beautiful day, kicking off my first general audience only channel. I do stall a lot when I talk, and that's because I have a stutter. And the way I have treated my stutter is I take breaks instead of, you know? So if you're new to me, it's okay. Peace and cheers, friends. Love and harmony.